Compiler construction. So in our third year second sem we have the subject principles of compiler construction. So what is compiler construction? What are the principles of compiler constructions? We will learn in this subject. Okay, before going through the subject, so first we have to know about what is compiler. What is compiler means? We all know that compiler will translate the high level language to low level language or machine understandable language, machine level language. Okay, so what is high level language? High level language means human understandable language which we will write. Coming to the machine understandable language, this is zeros, and ones. This is machine understandable language and this one is a human understandable language. For example, int, main, like that we will write, no? So that is high level language. So what is compiler? Compiler will translate the high level language to machine level language. So it will also shows us to errors also. We will compile and we will run the program whenever we want the output of any particular program. Okay, and see here, this figure tells about a language processing system. So how the language is processing in the system. So what is the first one? The source program will enter into the compiler. Okay, so then what will happen? It will enter into the compiler, the source program, then it will be modified source program. Int main something you will write. So this source program will enter into the compiler. Then it is translate into mnemonics. What is mnemonics? Suppose move, add, like that. So that language we will call it as a mnemonics or low level language. Then this input will go to the assembler. So then what the assembler will do? Assembler will convert the low level language to machine level language. Okay, then next step is linker and a loader. What the linker and loader will do? This will help us to load the library files which are needed for the execution of any program. Okay, then we will get our target machine code, that is zeros and ones. Okay, so what is compiler? Compiler will translate the high level language to low level language. So we have one language processing system. In that we have source program. Then it will comes into the compiler. Then compiler will convert the high level language to low level language. Then it will goes to the assembler. Then lower level language is converted into machine level language. Okay, then machine level language is which are required the library files, that all loads into the compiler. Then that our required machine code will be comes out. Okay, this is all about the language processing system. Thank you.